On this Civic 1.5 Turbo P003A may mean the PCM is seeing the electric wastegate position feedback outside the range it expects when it commands the wastegate closed. The driver may notice reduced boost response, reduced power, inconsistent turbo response, or the light may come on with only a mild complaint. Broadly, the possible fault areas can include the wastegate link and cover area, actuator operation, the position sensor signal, related components, and only after the other checks are normal, possible PCM involvement. Before the pinpoint checks, make sure you're following the basic troubleshooting approach for this system. Then get the engine into the right operating state for the wastegate test. Start the engine. Hold engine speed at 3,000 RPM with no load, CVT in P or N, or manual transmission in neutral, until the radiator fan comes on. After that, let the engine idle for 2 minutes. Once the engine is in the right state, run the HDS electric wastegate function. Now inspect the turbocharger wastegate control actuator link area and the turbocharger cover. You're looking for foreign material around the link and any damage at the cover. The expected result is no visible abnormality in that area. If that inspection is abnormal, the diagnostic path points to a problem with the turbocharger assembly area rather than moving deeper into electrical testing first. Next, use the HDS electric wastegate function again for the functional inspection. Watch the turbocharger wastegate control actuator while the command is being run. The expected result is that the actuator operates. If it does not operate normally during this commanded test, the path again points toward a turbocharger side problem. If the visual and functional checks have not found the problem, move to the turbocharger wastegate control actuator position sensor inspection. Disconnect the turbocharger 5P connector and perform the inspection with that connector disconnected. For the unit output voltage inspection on, the normal value is about 5.0 V. There is no direct method given to test the component itself, so this diagnostic path works through the related components. If this position sensor inspection is normal, the path points back to a turbocharger problem. If it is abnormal, the path points toward other related components. Only after the other inspection items indicate a normal condition does the diagnostic path call the remaining PCM the cause. So don't jump there early. Work the wastegate link and cover inspection, the commanded actuator operation, and the position sensor output path first. Then use the PCM conclusion only if those earlier checks support it. The takeaway on P003A is simple. The PCM is commanding the wastegate closed and watching the position feedback. Follow the path in order, separate a mechanical link or cover issue from actuator movement and sensor output, and avoid guessing at the PCM until the earlier checks are normal. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.